What happens if Earth started snoring? Firstly, if Earth started snoring, skyscrapers on planet Earth may keep on shaking. Secondly, if Earth started snoring, even the trees on planet Earth may keep on shaking. Lastly, if Earth started snoring, Earth's neighbors, Venus and Mars, may also keep on shaking. What is the Jupiter's Great Red Spot? Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that is about 1.3 times the size of Earth. It is located in the Jupiter's southern hemisphere. Winds inside the Great Red Spot can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. The Great Red Spot rotates counterclockwise, indicating that it's a high-pressure system. The Great Red Spot's long lifetime may be due to Jupiter's gaseous composition and lack of a solid surface to dissipate the storm's energy. Why is Jupiter the biggest planet? Firstly, during its formation, Jupiter's foundation was likely the largest of any planet, giving it the gravitational advantage to collect more mass over time. Secondly, during its formation, Jupiter was far enough from the Sun. As a result, the Sun's gravity didn't attract as much matter away from Jupiter. Lastly, Jupiter captured so much hydrogen and helium gas from the solar nebula that it ended up with 300 times Earth's mass. Why are some planets called terrestrial? The word terrestrial comes from the Latin word terra, which means earth. Terrestrial planets are made of rocks and metals and have a central metallic core surrounded by a mantle of silicate rocks and minerals. The mantle is usually the largest part of the planet by volume. Terrestrial planets also have landforms like cliffs, valleys, volcanoes, and craters. The 4 terrestrial planets in our solar system are the 4 innermost planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Why does Saturn have rings? Saturn's strong gravity plays a key role. When asteroids, comets, or even moons ventured too close, the immense gravitational forces tore them apart. The debris from these shattered objects, as in chunks of ice and rock, continued to collide and break into smaller fragments. Over time, this material spread out and formed the stunning rings we see today. A delicate balance of destruction and beauty orbiting the planet. Why does Saturn appear yellow? Firstly, Saturn looks yellow because of the gases in its atmosphere, like ammonia and methane. These gases scatter sunlight and absorb certain colors, leaving behind the yellowish glow we see. Secondly, the clouds and storms on Saturn also reflect sunlight in a way that makes the yellow color stand out more.